This is a quick tutorial on how to change the name of your files all at once and add the date to make them unique names. The date is of the modification, not the date of the creation of the file, so put that in mind. First of all, you have to open PowerShell, and then I found the command in this website, so let's copy it and paste it. I'll leave the website in the link in the description, and then we're gonna copy the file path and replace it here. And then we have our file name is .mts, so we're gonna change .mts here. If you have any type of file, you can just change it here. And here we're gonna replace the 3 zeros here into and add in the date instead of in the place of these 3 zeros. If you have a pattern in your names, you can just write that pattern and it will change. If you're changing images, there are cameras that add EMG or DSC, so you can change that pattern. I'm gonna just change the 3 zeros because all my files have 3 zeros in the beginning, and it's gonna replace it with the date of the last time the file was modified. So if you copied these files on a specific day, then it will change them on that specific day. And all we're gonna do is hit OK, and you can see the files have changed. Instead of the 333, now we have the date and then the last number, so they can still be unique even though they are in the same date. And you can have this is useful because a lot of cameras, when you format the camera, it starts counting from 0, so you'll have a lot of similar names when you're trying to store your files. So this is a great way to store and make unique names to your files in a really quick and easy way. If you have a lot of or different types of files, you can just delete. Instead of writing the file type, you can just delete this whole, include this MTS, this whole line. You can just delete it and it will change or rename every single file in that folder, whatever type of file it is. Okay, I hope you liked this video, and bye.